We have some breaking news coming in from the Valley, viewers. Breaking news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. A mysterious blast has taken place in Baramulla's Sopore, and 4 people have been killed in this blast. The incident occurred when a scrap dealer was unloading material from a truck. Police have arrived at the scene to investigate the situation, and that is the breaking news we're getting in right now. And the SP has also, SP Sopore has reacted to this news. Let's take a listen in.
ये शेर कॉलोनी में आज ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंसिडेंट हुआ है। ये हाउस बिलोंग्स टू अब्दुल राशिद भट्ट। तो इसमें 4 लोगों की कैजुअलिटी हुआ है। मेनली ये स्क्रैप डीलिंग करते थे। इन्होंने लद्दाख से कुछ माल लेके आया है, स्क्रैप है सारे, तो उसी में ट्रक से अनलोड कर रहे थे। उसी समय अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये इंसिडेंट हो गया है। अभी सैनिटाइजेशन चल रहा है, हमें एम्बैकवेट कर लिया है। यहाँ पर हमारा बीडी टीम भी पहुँच गई है, FSL टीम अभी पहुँचने वाला है। बाकी केस रजिस्टर कर लिया गया है, अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है।
And my colleague Zeenat joins us live on the broadcast for more. Zeenat, tell us more about this mysterious blast. What really happened that while unloading from a truck, a blast happened and killed 4 people?
Yes, while unloading this truck at the scrap dealer's place, this blast had taken place. The scrap had come from Ladakh, and while unloading, the people who were there around that very scrap dealer's place, the 4 people received the critical injuries. The 3 succumbed on the spot, and 1 who was being evacuated to Sher-e-Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences at Tertiary Care Hospital in Srinagar. He succumbed on way. Meanwhile, we are seeing the forensic team have reached. They are investigating the entire matter. Meanwhile, we are also hearing from the medical officials, the BRO Sopore, who has confirmed about the casualty of the people. And though this is the incident, this is the mysterious incident that has taken place, the police is investigating the case. But a tragic news is that the 4 people have lost their life because they were present at the spot where this unloading of the scrap was being done by the workers. And this truck had come all the way from Ladakh with the material, and while unloading, the mysterious blast had taken place, in which now we are getting that the 4 people have lost their lives in this incident in Sopore, which is in Baramulla's North Kashmir.
All right, Zeenat, keep a track of the developments. We'll keep coming back to you for more on that. Right now, viewers, we'll shift our focus to some news coming in from the national capital. Remember, the protests are only intensifying. The anger is mounting against the apathy, the civic apathy that led to the killing of 3 UPSC aspirants. And there you can see there's this study circle, this is study center, coaching center outside, which we're getting some visuals from. And there are protests happening outside these coaching centers. Remember, Republic TV's investigation has in fact shown how there are 500 plus coaching centers where libraries are operating illegally constructed in the basement, all to save some few money at the cost of the lives of the students. And there you can see the students are unrelenting. The youth, the students who come from various states, they come from across the country, viewers, to the national capital, and they are staging protests, fighting for their rights, fighting for justice to those victims and their families. You can see some of them are also falling ill over there. It's quite humid in the national capital, and the protest, viewers, are only intensifying. The anger is raging right now, and Republic TV continues to expose those unpardonable lapses, those glaring lapses that has taken the life of 3 young UPSC aspirants.